Hi everyone! Welcome back to Modern Homesteading with Tessa. I'm Tessa, and this is the channel where I show you how to feed yourself. In today's episode, we are going to be making sausage. Hi, Kevin. Down. So my first step will be to soak my casings. I'm using sheep casings for the very first time. And I've only ever done hog casing stuff, and I haven't done that much of that either. So this will be a new experience for all of us. But my friend Miss J over at The Road to Good Cooking, go check her out. She totally inspired me to go for it with sheep casings. So thank you, Miss J, for the encouragement. The sausage that I'm going to be making today is a hodgepodge mixture of a bunch of different proteins. So I went through my freezers and I totally organized everything, and I found these bits and pieces like some smoked turkey breast and a pork leg roast. I've been wanting to make some breakfast sausage anyway, so I just pulled these, bits and pieces out and thought I would go ahead and make some breakfast sausage with them. So if you haven't seen my freezer organization video, I'll put a card right here, but I have tons of tips and tricks for organizing, for keeping inventory, for some safeguards to make sure you don't lose any meat to a power outage or a freezer failure. So check that video out. If you are growing your own meat or hunting or doing anything to produce your own protein, there's lots of tips in that video for you. And as you can see here, this is some sausage that we made with a bunch of friends at their place. And so it is now drying. This stuff is smoked, this is not smoked. And these are done with hog casings. So the sheep casings are a lot smaller in diameter and what you would normally think of with when you think of breakfast sausages. All right, so I am gonna start out by just cutting this all up into chunks that will fit through the grinder. And then I'm gonna put all of the chunks into a second bus tub, mix my seasonings in there, and then we'll grind it. All right, our meat is all cubed up. And it's still partially frozen, which is perfect for the grinding process. So now I'm actually going to season it. I'm not gonna measure my seasonings. I'm going to add what I think is gonna taste good and then grind it. And then I will fry up a test patty to taste it and see if it needs anything else. So salt, sage, some crushed red pepper, cayenne pepper, some dried parsley, some dried basil, homegrown, Italian seasoning. Wow, that basil smells really good. Italian seasoning, paprika, I'm also going to add some garlic. There is no need to chop it because this is all going to go through the grinder, so I'm just going to peel it and throw it in there. All right, so now we're going to get our meat all ground up. Okay, there's the first grind on our sausage. It smells delicious. So now we're gonna run it through the fine grind plate. smells really good. Oh, that's good. It needs more salt. A little bit more salt. I like the sage in there. Okay, so we're all mixed. We're gonna start stuffing now. All right, my sheep casings have been soaking for several hours in warm water. So I'm hoping that that helps a lot with the breakage problem that is supposed to be very common with the sheep casings, so we'll see. So then to actually form your links, I'm just gonna do 2 pinches here. And then flip, flip, flip. And then we'll keep going down. 2 pinches here. Flip, flip, flip. And we'll just keep going all the way down our sausage. Those are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with how these are turning out. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful, beautiful sausages. This was a super fun project. A little bit of a learning curve, learning the sheep casings, but thank you again, Miss J at The Road to Good Cooking. You guys go check out her channel. She is awesome. So thank you for encouraging me to go for it, and thank you for making videos on how to do it. I'm just gonna finish twisting the rest of these links, and then I will portion these out into bags. I think I'm gonna do about a dozen per bag, and get them vacuum sealed and into the freezer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. I'll see you next time. Bye.